Up on the field, drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
We've got 69-62 almost crossing to the other side of the field. Maybe their robot was set up backwards as here comes 604 scoring 1. Make that 2. Coral up high onto L4. We also got a Coral score down low. Looks courtesy of 1458. 3 Coral and a half Auton there from 604 is great to see as the Red Alliance perhaps might be choosing to play triple O, and the Blue Alliance maybe is going to be matching them. Let's see what happens here next. 604 with the sky hook up and in. That's going to be a score for them as Blue Alliance goes to the processor. They're focusing on keeping their half of the field clean as a bean, as 604 is also now getting that G out. Sky hook up and in to the barge it goes, as Blue Alliance also doing some scoring on the barge. We've got maybe teams working towards a cooperation as some processor action is happening. Boom, there it is. Cooperation is on the table. Teams can get a Coral RP with only scoring 5 Coral each in 3 of the 4 rows of the reef. 192 GRT going up, and in with that algae. That's another 4 points for the Red Alliance. 604 has had no defense on their side of the field and been allowed to run uncontested. Red Alliance with a good lead here as they now are thinking about focusing on the ranking point. Yes, that's exactly what they're doing. 5 Coral scored onto the highest level. 5 scored onto L3. Blue Alliance perhaps possibly able to achieve the ranking point themselves. They need a good number, much more on L4, but it's honestly on the table here. Here comes defense now, 69-62, perhaps picking up a foul on their way to try to shut down the Red Alliance, but 604, boom, instantly pivots over to the other feeder station. Blue Alliance has achieved almost the ranking point. They just need 1 more Coral onto L3 and maybe 1 more onto L1, and they'll have it. 25 seconds remaining. They should be scoring this Coral 1. They need 1 more Coral for the ranking point. Blue does have it now. Red Alliance has the ranking point. Teams trying to go for the climb, but oh no, 192 GRT gets hung up there on the barge. They gotta be careful about entanglement. These robots looking for the climb. 604, this time the climb looks no good, but time expires with 24-73. Gold Strikers, the only ones taking the win. 140 points is great to see. 5 ranking points for Red, keeping 604 at rank 3. Gold Strikers also staying there at rank 5. Let's hear the breakdown.